Welcome to Ito Analytics, the leading platform for providing volatility data and option analytics. This is Chapter 6 of Option Trading Tutorial Series. We will cover option strategies in this chapter. Start from simple, the first strategy is buy and call option. Buy and call option is a way to express bullish view on the underlying asset, because call prices increase with spot price increases. Recall from option payoff diagram, call option payoff increases with spot increases. Buy and call options give traders leverage, and the leverage equals to delta of call divided by the premium in percentage. This is because call buyers only need to pay a small percentage premium to have large delta exposure, which could be more than 50%. Recall from previous chapter, option value composed of intrinsic value and time value. Buy and call means paying time value in order to enjoy the upside exposure of underlying asset with no downside payoff at maturity. Effectively, call buyers pay daily theta bill for having leveraged upside payout. The advantage of this strategy is that option buyer can only lost fixed premium paid at inception and have uncapped upside. The disadvantage is that option buyer could lost all of his premium. There are mainly two game plans for call buyers. If the underlying asset goes up after the call is bought, call buyers can choose to sell the call to capture the profit as option premium increases with underlying spot increases. Otherwise, call buyers can choose to sit with the call option until the maturity. In this case, call buyers will make profit if the call's payoff is bigger than the premium paid, meaning spot at maturity is higher than call strike by at least the premium amount. For example, if a trader bought an 1 month 105 strike call on an Apple with option premium of $2, Apple is at $100 now. 5 days later, Apple goes up to $110, and the call option goes up to $7. If trader chooses to unwind the option, then the profit will be $7 current option price minus $2 premium paid at beginning, which equals to $5. Trader can also choose to sit with the call option until the maturity. If Apple goes up to $110 after 1 month, then the option payoff at maturity will be $110 minus the call strike of $105. This equals to $5. Therefore, the profit for call buyer will be $5 of call payoff minus $2 of premium, which equals $3. For call buyers, it is important to understand that your clock is ticking once you bought the option due to daily theta decay. Therefore, it is crucial to perform scenario analysis before buying call option in order to set stop loss and profit taking levels. Scenario analysis means list of call prices at different spot price throughout the tenor of the option, just like the one shown in the table. From the table, we can see the daily theta decay of option if underlying spot remain unchanged. We can also see how option value increase when underlying moving in desired direction, and how option value decrease when underlying moving in undesired direction. Next strategy to cover is buying put option. Buying put is a way to express bearish view on underlying asset, as put option price increase when underlying spot decrease. From payoff diagram, we can see delta of put is always negative. Underlying spot moving lower is desirable for put buyers. Similar to buying call, buying put gives traders the leverage on investment. The leverage equals to percentage delta divided by percentage premium. Buying put is about paying time value in order to enjoy the upside payoff when underlying asset moving lower, but with no downside payoff when underlying moving higher. Effectively, put buyers pay daily theta to have leverage payout. The advantage is that put buyers can only lost up to fixed premium paid at inception, while upside gain is potentially large. The disadvantage is that put owners can lost all the premium paid. Just like buying call, buying put has mainly two game plans. If underlying goes down after buying the put, traders can choose to unwind the put after put price goes up. Otherwise, traders can choose to sit with the put until the maturity. Put buyers will make a profit if spot is lower than strike by at least the premium paid at beginning. If the put expires out of the money, then buyer will just lost the premium paid. Here is an example. A trader bought a 1 month $95 strike put on Apple with premium $2. Apple is at $100 now. In 5 days, if Apple goes down to $90, then put option price goes up to $7. Trader can choose to unwind the put option at market, and the profit will be $7 minus $2 of initial premium, which equals to $5. Alternatively, trader can choose to sit with the put until maturity. After 1 month, if Apple goes down to $90 at maturity day, the put option payoff will be $95 strike minus $90 market price, which is $5. The profit trader will then be $5 of payoff minus $2 of initial premium, which equals to $3. Very similar to buying call option, buying put option means buyer's clock is ticking once entered into the trade. Therefore, before entering the trade, it is very important to look at scenario analysis to understand the time decay pattern, how option value change when underlying goes down, and how option value change when underlying goes up. As summary, we covered buying call and buying put strategies in this chapter. Buying call is a way to express bullish view on underlying, and buying put is a way to express bearish view on underlying. Both strategies are similar in the sense that option buyers pay daily theta to have the upside payout, while having no downside payoff at option maturity. It is important to understand that option buyers' clock starts ticking right after buying the options. Scenario analysis is needed for formulating an exit plan before entering the trades. To run scenario analysis on options, please visit Ito Analytics website and get access to Ito Analytics Option Pricer. This is the end of Chapter 6. Subscribe and visit Ito Analytics website for more option-related contents.